The Portugal Golden Residence Permit Investment Plan. Applicants can visit Portugal to purchase property after obtaining a Schengen visa. The visit is typically a 5-night, 6-day trip. The agency staff will pick up the applicants at the airport, help them settle into the hotel, and arrange tours to the historical and cultural attractions. Additionally, the applicants will need to meet with the lawyers and developers, and the translation service will be provided by the local staff. Some of the things to prepare before entering Portugal: the inbound itinerary. For example, the round-trip tickets to Lisbon. Common air transfer cities are Dubai, Paris, and Amsterdam. Applicants are required to provide their itinerary information to the agency. Meanwhile, it is recommended that the applicants do not book tickets before they obtain a Schengen visa. And bank account documents. According to the Golden Residence Act, the main applicant is required to open a bank account in Portugal and transfer the funds from their foreign accounts. Then the main applicants transfer at least 500,000 euros from their Portuguese account to the designated bank account of the developer. The documents for opening a bank account: the original and a copy of the main applicant's passport, a copy of their original ID card and a translated copy, proof of income in their native language and English. The agency will assist the applicants in applying for the documents for a Golden Residence Permit card. And counseling prior to purchase. Before the applicants enter Portugal, the agency will introduce the policy of the Portuguese Golden Residence Permit program, the local real estate options, and tips for daily life. The agency will also inquire as to the applicant's intention of purchasing property and any preference so that the agency can select suitable property options in advance. As for the trip, day 1 will begin with their arrival in Lisbon. Overseas staff will contact the applicants before their arrival so that they can arrange the relevant assistance for the applicant. The local staff will pick up the applicants at the airport once they have arrived in Lisbon. The local staff will help the applicants to check into their hotels. And tour services can be arranged for the applicants to visit the historical attractions and enjoy the local cuisine, or the applicants can choose to relax at their hotel. Day 2 will consist of the property inspection and visiting the law firm. The local staff will accompany the applicants to visit the law firm, and the lawyer will answer questions regarding the Golden Residence application. Translation service will be provided by the local staff. The applicants will be accompanied by local staff as they visit the old city of Lisbon, experience its unique culture, such as Edward VII Park and Teatro Old Business District, and other famous attractions. Then they will have lunch in a famous restaurant of the old town and taste Portuguese egg tart. Afterwards, the applicant can inspect the property in the downtown area, as well as the University City District. Then they will return to the hotel after dinner. Day 3 will consist of property inspection. The local staff will accompany the applicants as they inspect the properties in Sintra and Cascais. At the same time, the reception staff will lead the applicants to visit the international schools, such as St. Julian International School and Carus International School. Afterwards, applicants can look forward to a special Portuguese lunch. In the afternoon, the local staff will accompany the applicant to visit the beach and scenic spots, such as Cape Roca. Applicants will also have the opportunity to visit the well-known golf resort Velas Golf Apartments. After the inspection tour, the applicant can enjoy their dinner, followed by a visit to one of the city's most famous attractions as they walk along Lisbon's Champs-Élysées before returning to their hotel. Day 4 will consist of further property inspection and reservation. The local staff will accompany the applicants as they visit the high-end real estate projects in certain resorts, such as the One King Golf Resort, the Los Angeles Resort, and the Troya Resort, and enjoy lunch there. The applicants will then choose their favorite properties. The local staff will take the applicants to the law firm to meet with the developer and discuss the price before confirming the purchase details, such as the date of payment, whether or not there is a rental agreement, if the property comes furnished, etc. Once these details are written into the purchase information table and signed, the applicant will pay the developers at least 20,000 euros as the property deposit, officially expressing their willingness to purchase this property. Note: applicants can also choose to pay by card in the law firm, first transferring the deposit to the bank account of the law firm, after which the lawyer will transfer the funds to the developer. In general, it takes 3 to 5 working days to transfer money from the law firm's bank account to the developer's bank account. Day 5 will consist of signing the documents. The lawyer will draft the legal documents on the basis of purchasing information form signed by the applicant and the developer, along with the applicant's information form signed by the applicant. The documents include the purchase of real estate contract, the formal transfer of the real estate signed by the applicant and the developer under the witness of the lawyers of both parties, notarization certificate, application for comprehensive grant of golden residence permit, legal service agreement, tax representative service agreement, the statement of the tax representative acceptances, golden residence permit application and tax authorization, and the golden residence permit application for integrity statement. After the lawyer drafts the relevant documents, the local staff will accompany the applicants to the law firm, where both the applicant and developer will sign the contract under the lawyer's witness. The applicant signs the legal service agreement, the golden residence permit, the comprehensive power of attorney application and tax authorization, and pays the relevant costs, including legal fees, which are 1% of the total amount of real estate registration notarization, about €500 per property, and the official information certification fee, about €200 per property. This includes the business registration certificate, land registration certificate, and formal contract, etc. The applicant then signs the tax representative service agreement and the statement of the tax representative acceptances before paying the tax representative fee. The tax representative fee is a single or divorced applicant needs to pay €600 per person per year. A husband and wife pays €990 a year. Dependents 18 years of age or older will pay €600 per person per year. And more than one person, an additional €400 per person per year, and children under the age of 18 will pay €300 per person per year. As for the usage of a tax number, acquiring the tax number is the first step to paying taxes, and also for activating the applicant's bank account in Portugal. Also be able to declare tax and non-debt statements from Social Security, but it's also one of the requirements for transferring the title deed. After the applicant pays the tax representative fee, the tax representative staff will apply for the tax number on behalf of the applicant and assist the applicant in handling the tax matters. The tax representative fees are payable annually. All applicants who are 18 years old or older are required to apply for a tax number and hire a tax representative. Applicants who are under 18 may not be required, but if the applicant's children are enrolled in school in Portugal, the child is also required to apply for a tax number. Day 6 will be the applicant's last day in Lisbon. The receptionist will assist the applicants in checking out of their hotel and then accompanying the applicant to the airport, where they will assist with the check-in and tax refund procedures. Finally, applicants will begin their journey back home from Lisbon. As for purchasing the property by video from overseas, some applicants cannot enter Portugal to purchase the property due to various reasons. In these situations, the applicants can purchase the property by video. The specific steps are as follows. Applicants select the property. The applicants, through video calls, negotiate the price with the developers and confirm the purchase details, such as payment date, rental matters, and so on. Then the developer drafts an agreement and mails it to the applicants to sign, scan, and then mail it back to the developer. Using an international bank transfer, the applicants transfer the deposit to the developer's designated bank account. It typically takes 3 to 5 days to clear the payment. The developer issues a deposit receipt upon the actual received amount for the applicants. The applicants will make an international bank transfer to pay the legal fee, property registration fee, official certification fee, and the tax representative fee to the law firm's designated bank account. The transfer will take 3 to 5 days to process. The law firm will issue a receipt upon the actual received amount for the applicants. Applicants must prepare account documents, including proof of income, a copy of the passport, and a copy of their ID card and its translation. The agency will mail the original documents to the lawyer for a tax number and to open the applicant's bank account in Portugal. The applicants need to pay the property price to successfully transfer the title deed, and then prepare the application documents before finally submitting the Golden Residence application. And welcome to Portugal, and thank you.